Day 32. Power of the Rosary. Carlo once called the Rosary the shortest ladder to heaven. He prayed it daily and believed it to be powerful against the enemy. For him, the Holy Rosary was not only a source of peace, but also the most powerful weapon for fighting the devil after the Holy Eucharist, a conviction he shared with saints like Padre Pio. Scripture: all generations will call me blessed. Prayer to Mary: O Blessed Mother, wrap me in your holy mantle with each Hail Mary I pray in the Rosary. As I offer every rose to you, my Mother, cover me more deeply under your tender protection, just as you did with your young Saint Carlo. Like him, lead me closer to your Son, Jesus.